Hello friends, I am excited for today's video because I want to share with you wonderful surprise, and let's go ahead and look at this surprise. So let's go inside. It has a wonderful door here with a zipper, so it zips tightly inside, and let's go inside.
So we are really excited about this tent, and I'm going to show you this partition.
Yeah, this is the very cool part of the tent, I guess, right?
Yep.
So we do this partition especially when we nap, and that way the kids are separate and they can have an option of playing whatever they want or watching for a while. Yeah. We are go there.
So that's the partition, and there's two different rooms. Now I am going to show you what we play in the tent and do, except for sleeping, of course. So we have some toys over here. We have this floor puzzle and this bag filled with toys. Some things we do are we stand up toys against the tent wall. Then we take some balls or something and throw them at the toys. It depends on how big or small the toys are to get points. Yeah, so that's basically all we do. Then we watch and stuff. Yeah. Then we have these windows, and when the sunlight comes in, you can also close them if you
Hey,
want.
can you open the partition? Okay. Hi. Okay, we also have a very cool stuff, Mian. Here, over here, we can keep our bottles inside or anything inside your cell phone, and you have a very good special power outlet over there, so you can fix in your heater or your chargers. So that's really cool about it. And yes, we love the tent. So friends, this is not the only thing. We also have few fun and exciting science experiments for you. So let's go and check out what Ria and Vihan has for us.
The first experiment is going to be the lava lamp. Doesn't that sound cool? The items you will need for this experiment is one glass container, water, vegetable oil, and food coloring,
And this
and Alkaseltzer.
Alkaseltzer. Okay.
The first step is pour vegetable oil in the glass container 3/4 of the way.
This much should be fine. Almost a cup of
Almost
oil, right?
a cup. Almost.
This fine?
Yep.
Okay.
Then fill it up with water about an inch away from the top. Up till here.
This much is cool.
Yeah. Then we put 6 drops of food coloring inside. 1.
I think that's enough. 6 already.
Then we take 2 Alka-Seltzer tablets. You break one up into pieces.
Cool.
And you put it in
Can you put one
piece
by one?
by piece.
Piece by piece, right?
Piece by piece. Then take the
Whoa.
second one. It's starting to blow.
Wow, this looks awesome. Vihan, put the second one.
Yep, starting to blow.
Oh wow. Can you see this, guys? Isn't that cool? Yeah, you want to make your own DIY lava lamp? Do try it out.
Bam, bam, bam.
This is amazing.
Quickly screw the lid on.
I put the lid on.
And there you have it.
There you have your own lava lamp. And you can put it in your room and it looks so amazing because it's made by you. So go ahead and try it out. Thank you, Vihan. Our second experiment is very interesting. It's leaves transpiration. Have you ever heard about it? You must have studied in science, but we tend to forget with our daily life. Transpiration is a process where leaves and plants shed out great amount of water into the air, and that water evaporates out of leaf stems and goes back into the air. Okay, so today we are going to show you that transpiration over here. We have taken a Ziploc bag, a rubber band, which Ria has, right Ria? Yes. And we are here in our backyard experimenting on these leaves. We are going to put this bag over the leaves this way and tie a rubber band leaves. Yes, Ria? So basically what are we doing is we are trying to collect the water that will come out from the leaves and stems due to the process of transpiration. Okay, now we are going to check this bag after a couple of hours, and what will happen to our surprise is it will have pretty good amount of water inside the bag. Okay, now how does this happen? Let's know that. Leaves have small pores if we see through the magnifying glass, and those pores are called stomata. Okay, these pores shed out a huge amount of water, and that water goes into the air and helps us in the water cycle. Almost 90% of the water is being shed out and only 10% is being taken by the leaves. So I hope you enjoy this experiment. We'll come back again after a couple of hours and see the amount of water that's been collected in the bag. Okay. All right. So here we are after a couple of hours, and to our surprise, the bag has enough amount of water in it. Can you see that? Yeah. So let me unwrap the rubber band and show you the amount of water the leaves collected in the bag. Yeah? So wasn't this great and exciting to know about leaves transpiration? Go ahead and do it yourself and experience the transpiration. Hey, so hope you all enjoyed the video. Do go and try out the science experiments. It's going to be fun. I wanted to share a quick thing with you all. My YouTube algorithm tells me that most of my viewers aren't subscribing. So please go ahead and hit that red button, because I know that you are my regular viewers and you love watching my videos. So please do subscribe my channel and do hit the thumbs up button if you like the video. Bye bye. See you soon.